Good morning. I'm Pat McClatchy with the Ag Market Network. Welcome to this November the 20th edition of our Export Sales Report Review. Let's get started with our export numbers that just came out. Looking at cotton, the cotton number, the total number for cotton was 172,000 running bales. That's up 9% from the previous week and up 41% over the 4-week average. The breakdown shows increases for China of 67,900, Turkey took 21,400, and Indonesia took 19,600. Looking at the reaction of the market for March cotton, we're down about 10 points from the time the report came out. Let's next go to wheat. The wheat number was 361,700 metric tons. That's down 13% from the previous week, but up 1% over the 4-week average. The breakdown shows unknown destinations 130,500. The Philippines took 52,300 metric tons, including 50,000 metric tons switched from unknown destinations, and then Japan took 52,100. The reaction of the market right now for wheat, the wheat market it has sold off about a penny since the report came out. Next we'll go to corn. Net sales of corn 908,700 metric tons. That's up 80% from the previous week and 45% over the 4-week average. The breakdown shows Japan took 447,500 metric tons, including 40,800 switched from unknown destinations and decreases of 1,900 metric tons. Mexico took 159,600, and Peru took 149,400 metric tons, including 35,000 metric tons switched from Colombia. The reaction of the corn market, corn was up about a penny when the number came out. Just before it came out, right now corn's up about a penny and a half, so it's firmed up a little. Our last number here is soybeans. Net sales of soybeans 483,000 metric tons. That's a marketing year low. That's down 55% from the previous week and 68% from the 4-week average. The breakdown shows China took 532,900 metric tons, including 471,000 metric tons switched from unknown destinations and decreases of 182,300. Spain took 131,500 metric tons, including 65,000 metric tons switched from unknown destinations and 60,000 metric tons switched from China. And then finally, Mexico took 109,100 metric tons. Looking at the reaction, the soybean market was up 6 cents just as the report was coming out. Right now, the beans, because this number was a light number, now the beans are up about 2 cents. Looking at what has happened over the last week, I made some notes here on what the market has been doing, actually not just over the last week, but back the 1st of October when we bottomed. January soybeans had a $1.74 rally, a significant rally from October the 1st of $1.74. Then about a week ago we topped out, and we've had an 81-cent drop in soybeans since then. We were looking for that. I think the market overdid it to the upside, and now we've back off about 81 cents. Looking at corn, from October the 1st, it had a rally up until about a week ago of 71 cents in December corn. But in the last week, we've had corn drop about 27 cents. That's the corn market. December wheat, over that 1-month period, or from October the 1st forward, it had a $1 rally in wheat. And since then, we've dropped in the last week about 32 cents. Looking at cotton, really over the last week, the cotton market has dropped 513 points. And as we discuss what has happened and then where do we go from here, what has happened, and this has been discussed before for grains and for oilseed, we had a really good rally going back to October 1st because of the tightness. The demand was good, the tightness in soybean meal, and it seemed to cause a reaction in all the markets. That's the reason we had the significant rally we saw. Speculators were buying in addition to that. And then we finally topped out about a week ago. We've seen some profit taking. We've seen some technical selling. And the harvest has moved far enough along that we're able to bring in enough soybeans and corn and wheat to help satisfy some of this demand that we've seen, some of the tightness that we've seen. What do we expect from here in grain and oilseed? I would expect this market to consolidate for the next week or two. Maybe it might bounce in the next few days, but I think over the next 2 weeks we're going to see this market continuing to work lower. And then we'll probably see some demand start coming back into it at lower levels. So that's our view on the grain and soybean market. As far as the cotton goes, the cotton market, we're far enough into harvest now that and the pipeline is being filled up enough that hopefully we'll see support starting to build in here at these levels under 60 cents, 59 cents in December and also March. And looking forward, I think we're going to see more and more interest among mills for machine picked cotton, high quality cotton. And I think at these levels we're just starting to see some of that take place, and hopefully more of it will come, and we'll find support in this area. We could drop another 100 points, 200 points, I think at the most, but then I think we'll start to move back up. So that's my view on the day. That's the export evaluation. We appreciate you joining us here at the Ag Market Network and hope you'll join us again next week. Thank you.